From autonomous security drones to snore-blocking earbuds and waterproof outdoor TVs, AI is changing the way we live, one cool gadget at a time. Let's check out the coolest AI-driven home technologies of 2025. They're changing comfort, convenience, and security. Ready for a glimpse of the future? AI-powered smart mirrors. Ever wished your mirror could tell you more than just if you need more sleep? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, the Withings Omnia Smart Mirror. This isn't your grandma's mirror. It's a total wellness guru, checking your heart rate and oxygen levels in real time, like a tiny, super smart doctor living in your bathroom. It even has an AI that's like a skincare whisperer. It analyzes your skin, spots potential problems, dehydration, stress, a sneaky breakout, and gives you personalized advice and product recommendations. Think of it as a daily spa day, all in one sleek package. And for fitness fanatics, this mirror's got your back and your posture. Built-in virtual coaching guides your workouts, corrects your form, and tracks your progress. It's like having a personal trainer who never gets tired. Plus, some models are so smart, they'll even adjust your bathroom lighting and humidity to suit your health needs. It's the ultimate personalized wellness experience. Who needs a magic mirror when you can have this? Snore-blocking earbuds. Tired of your snoring partner stealing your sleep? Meet your new sleep saviors, Oslo Sleep Buds. These aren't your average earbuds. They're like tiny intelligent ninjas fighting off snoring sounds. Forget about those clunky noise-canceling headphones. These buds use AI to intelligently neutralize snoring sounds without blocking important noises like your alarm or a smoke detector. Imagine this. You're drifting off to sleep and suddenly the snoring starts. But before you even notice, the sleep buds are already working their magic, emitting counteracting frequencies that gently hush the noise. It's like having a personal sound engineer dedicated to your sleep. And that's not all. They also come with a personalized sleep coach, tracking your sleep patterns and offering tips to help you sleep even better. Think of it as a sleep therapist in your ear. Plus, they're super comfy and have a long-lasting battery, so you can wear them all night long without any discomfort. So, if you're ready for deeper, more restful sleep, even with a noisy partner, Oslo Sleep Buds are here to help you conquer those sleepless nights. Sweet dreams. AI-powered kitchen assistants. Imagine a kitchen where cooking becomes a breeze, not a chore. That's the magic of AI-powered kitchen assistants. Say goodbye to recipe confusion and hello to a world of delicious possibilities. Take the Samsung Bespoke AI oven, for example. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. This smart oven scans your fridge, sees what ingredients you have, and suggests delicious recipes that use them up. No more food waste, just more delicious meals. Plus, it's got built-in sensors that ensure your food is cooked to perfection every time. No more burnt cookies or undercooked chicken. But the fun doesn't stop there. The GE Profile. Smart Mixer uses AI-powered torque sensors to figure out exactly how much mixing your dough needs. It's like having a culinary expert by your side, making sure your batter is perfectly smooth and your bread rises beautifully. And these smart appliances are ready to party with your smart home. Control them with your voice, get real-time cooking updates, and even follow step-by-step recipes. It's like having a personal chef, a baking buddy, and a kitchen assistant all in one. So ditch the recipe books and embrace the future of cooking. With the help of these AI-powered kitchen assistants, you can turn any kitchen into a culinary wonderland. Waterproof outdoor TVs. Get ready to ditch the indoor movie nights. The Silvox 110-inch outdoor TV is here to redefine outdoor entertainment. This isn't your average TV. It's a weatherproof wonder built to laugh in the face of rain, snow, dust, and even extreme temperatures. Imagine crisp 4K visuals so bright they'll shine even under the midday sun, thanks to its anti-glare technology. No more squinting. This isn't just a screen, it's a portal to another world. We're talking movie theater quality right in your backyard, on your patio, or poolside. And because it's IP66 rated, you can relax knowing it's tough enough to handle anything. But wait, there's more. It's packed with smart features, so you can easily stream your favorite shows and movies with voice control. Seriously, it's like having your own personal drive-in, only way cooler. So fire up the grill, grab some popcorn, and get ready for the ultimate outdoor entertainment experience, rain or shine. The Silvox 110-inch outdoor TV. Because movie nights should never be rained out. What do you think about these futuristic home innovations? Which one would you love to have in your home? Let us know in the comments below. Smart bed with sleep tracking. Ready to say goodbye to restless nights and hello to your best sleep ever? The Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed 2025 edition is here to revolutionize your sleep experience. This isn't your average bed, it's a smart sleep haven that takes personalized comfort to a whole new level. Imagine this. You drift off to sleep, and the bed magically adjusts its temperature to keep you perfectly cozy all night long. No more overheating or shivering. Plus, the pressure-sensitive surface gently cradles your body, automatically adjusting to your unique shape and movement to promote perfect spinal alignment and reduce pressure points. It's like having a personal sleep therapist who knows exactly what your body needs. But wait, there's more. This smart bed is also a sleep coach, providing real-time insights into your sleep quality, heart rate, and breathing patterns. It even offers personalized tips to help you improve your rest and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. And it gets even smarter. The Sleep Number 360 Smart bed can sync with your smart home, adjusting lighting and climate control to create the perfect sleep environment tailored just for you. It's like having a personal sleep sanctuary that's always working to ensure you get the best possible rest. So, if you're ready to experience the future of sleep, the Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed 2025 edition is your ticket to a world of blissful slumber. Sweet dreams. AI-powered home security. Imagine having a watchful guardian in your home, always on the lookout for trouble. That's the power of AI-powered home security. It's like having a personal security team working around the clock, keeping your home safe and sound. Meet the Ring Always Home. Cam, a groundbreaking indoor security drone that's like a tiny super smart superhero for your home. This little drone patrols your house, providing live video feeds to your smartphone so you can see what's going on, even when you're away. No more blind spots. But wait, there's more. This smart drone is equipped with AI-powered facial recognition and motion detection, so it can tell the difference between your family, your furry friends, and potential intruders. That means fewer false alarms and more peace of mind. This AI-powered security system is like a detective, constantly analyzing the situation and detecting suspicious activity, like someone trying to break in or a stranger lingering in your yard. It instantly sends alerts to you and even to emergency services, so you can get help quickly if needed. And here's the best part. This smart security system can even act proactively. It can automatically activate lights, sirens, or even lock your doors to deter intruders before they even get a chance to act. It's like having a built-in security guard that's always on duty. So, relax and rest easy knowing that your home is protected by the latest AI-powered security technology. With AI-powered home security, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is safe, secure, and always under watchful eyes. The future of home living is characterized by seamless integration and intelligent automation. Are you ready to embrace it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends shaping our world. Turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting innovation. See you in the next one.